The most common measure on tanker to avoid static discharge is option A closed ullaging, option B use of only approved PPE on deck, option C bonding and grounding, option D having continuous pipe lengths. The correct answer is option C bonding and grounding. Systemic poisons are those that cause an adverse health effect. Option A to the whole body, option B to several organs of human body, option C to the skin only, and option D on a specific organ. The correct answer is option D on a specific organ. When inhibited chemical cargo is loaded, the shipper should provide option A sample of inhibitor to chief officer, option B MSDS for added inhibitor, and option C inhibitor certificate for the valid voyage. The correct answer is option C inhibitor certificate for the valid voyage. In chemical tankers with common pipeline, cargo segregation is done by option A isolating tanks after completion of loading, option B close all valves for tanks after completion of loading, option C inserting blind flanges in pipes concerned. The correct answer is option C inserting blind flanges in pipes concerned. H2S is option A less toxic, option B inflammable, option C toxic, corrosive and flammable. The correct answer is option C toxic, corrosive and flammable. What is flammable range? Option A the range in which nothing will burn, option B the range in which oxygen content is too low to cause explosion, option C the range in which the oxygen content is too high to cause explosion, and option D the range of hydrocarbon gas concentrations in air between the lower and upper flammable limits. Mixture within this range are capable of being ignited and of burning. The correct answer is option D. The range of hydrocarbon gas concentrations in air between the lower and upper flammable limits. Mixture within this range are capable of being ignited and of burning. What is cold work? Option A carrying out work in a cold atmosphere. Option B work that cannot create a source of ignition. Option C carrying out work on reefer containers, and option D work that can be done only in a cold temperature. The correct answer is option B work that cannot create a source of ignition. What is an inert condition? Option A when the oxygen have been eliminated from a tank, option B when the oxygen is less 10% by volume in a tank, option C conditions in which the oxygen content throughout the atmosphere of a tank has been reduced to 8% or lost by volume by the addition of inert gas, option D when the oxygen is 21% by volume in a tank. The correct answer is option C conditions in which the oxygen content throughout the atmosphere of a tank has been reduced to 8% or lost by volume by the addition of inert gas. What are closed operations? Option A ballasting, loading or discharging, operation carried out without opening ullage ports, option B to prevent escape of hazardous vapors from tanks, option C remote control of tanks delivery valves, and option D remote control of inert gas entry into a tank. The correct answer is option A ballasting, loading or discharging, operation carried out without opening ullage ports. The ISM code requires work procedures which ensures dash performance. Option A superior, option B profitable, option C safe, and option D excellent. The correct answer is option C safe. A man has suffered burn on the arm. There is reddening of the skin but no other apparent damage. Using standard medical terminology is A. Option A minor burn, option B superficial burn, option C extremity burn, and option D first degree burn. The correct answer is option D first degree burn. The change in resistance of hot filament in tank scope is displayed as option A percent volume of oxygen, option B percent volume of inert gas, and option C percent volume of hydrocarbon. The correct answer is option C percent volume of hydrocarbon. 43 Draeger tube system is used for option A ammonia gas detection, option B nitrogen gas detection, option C multi gas detection. The correct answer is option C multi gas detection. The electrostatic field strength which is sufficient to cause breakdown of air or petroleum gases in about option A 5000 kilovolts per meter, option B 3000 kilovolts per meter, and option C 3000 watts per meter, and option D 5000 volts per meter. The correct answer is option B 3000 kilovolts per meter. What are all the three basic stages which leads to a potential static hazard and necessary for an electrostatic ignition? Option A viscosity, charge separation and temperatures. Option B charge accumulation, velocity and density. Option C charge separation, charge accumulation and electrostatic discharge. And option D flammable gas, air and heat source. The correct answer is option C charge separation, charge accumulation and electrostatic discharge. A crew member suffering from hypothermia should be given option A small dose of alcohol, option B treatment for shock, option C a large meal, and option D a brisk rub down. The correct answer is option B treatment for shock. Which hand gloves are best suited for handling solvents, petrol, oils and many chemicals? Option A PVC gloves, option B rubber gloves, option C neoprene or nitrile rubber gloves. The correct answer is option C neoprene or nitrile rubber gloves. Heavy fuel oil when spilled are option A more harmful to sea life than lighter oils, option B easier to clean up than lighter refined oils, option C less harmful to sea life than lighter oils, and option D not a real threat to marine life. The correct answer is option C less harmful to sea life than lighter oils. You are operating a non-ocean going vessel. How much of the accumulated oily waste must you be able to retain or board? Option A 25%, option B 50%, and option C 75%, and option D 100%. The correct answer is option D 100%. Your vessel is taking on fuel when a small leak develops in the hose. You order the pumping stopped. Before you resume pumping, you should option A notify the terminal superintendent, option B place a large drip pan under the leak and plug the scuppers, option C repair the hose with a patch, option D replace the hose. The correct answer is option D replace the hose. In the displacement method of purging and inerting the inert gas, option A enters from the top of the tanks, option B enters from the bottom of the tanks, option C mixes with the original tank atmosphere, and option D could enter from the bottom or the top of the tanks. The correct answer is option A enters from the top of the tanks. A gas venting system on a tanker that has gas line in each tank connected to a common gas main running the full length of the ship is called option A gas main system, option B a common main system, option C a vent main system, and option D an independent system. The correct answer is option B a common main system. Submersible pump found in chemical tankers are normally made of option A aluminium alloy, option B fiber, option C stainless steel, and option D nickel alloy. The correct answer is option C stainless steel. What do you understand from the term bleat of cow? Option A, the process of pressure testing the cow line on board. Option B, the process of diverting part of cargo discharged for reducing rate. Option C, the process of diverting part of cargo discharged for crude oil washing. Option D, the process of draining oil from the cow lines after washing. The correct answer is option C, the process of diverting part of cargo discharged for crude oil washing. Categories Z noxious liquid substances from tank cleaning are deemed to present a hazard. Find the correct statement. Option A, justify the prohibition of discharge into the marine environment. Option B, justify the limitation on the quantity of the discharge into the marine environment. Option C, justify less stringent restriction of discharge into the marine environment. The correct answer is option C, justify less stringent restriction of discharge into the marine environment. The ring main pipeline system extensively used on. Option A, VLCCs. Option B, crude oil tankers. Option C, medium range tankers. And option D, product carriers. The correct answer is option D, product carriers. An inert gas generator burns what oil to generate inert gas? Option A, crude oil. Option B, heavy oil. Option C, diesel oil. And option D, gas oil. The correct answer is option D, gas oil. The structure for emergency rescue from pump room should be. Option A, available close to the pump room. Option B, kept permanently rigged for hoisting an injured person. Option C, kept in ship's hospital and clearly marked. The correct answer is option B, kept permanently rigged for hoisting an injured person. What is the safety margin of tank volume when calculating filling ratio of a cargo which needs heating during its carriage? Option A, 5% of tank capacity. Option B, 2% of tank capacity. Option C, 10% of tank capacity. And option D, 1% of tank capacity. The correct answer is option B, 2% of tank capacity. 60 of the hydrocarbon found in nature, which is the lighter fraction of hydrocarbon which can be free or dissolved. Option A, crude oil. Option B, asphalt. Option C, refined oil. And option D, natural gas. The correct answer is option D, natural gas.